It's your girl Sharaerae and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? So today I'm doing some finger coils to my hair. It's gonna be a little bit extra though. Then I'm gonna show y'all how it turned out. Alright, so I'm gonna be using this moisturizing butter. Really like this stuff. Breasts. I got one of these little breasts that I kept seeing on Instagram. It's purple though. I like this. It's just a regular rat tail comb. So let's get down to business. I know. She just been tangled up. So I'm gonna split up my hair. I'm gonna start it in the back. Alright, now that I have just this back piece out, I'm gonna finger coil that. I saw this on TikTok. This is one girl, but she was using both of her fingers on her hands. So I was like, let me try that. Let me bring the two with me. So you're supposed to have it like real wet and then detangle it. Oof! Water just began everywhere. Alright, going in with my detangle brush. Then the girls, it just took into little sections. Where my hair tie? Oh, it's in my head. Got the product. I'll just do a little bit. That might be too much though. Then yeah, like this. Then she said, hold it. I like that. But since y'all can't see the back, I'm just gonna do this off camera. Alright, y'all. I'm back. I wanted to show y'all so y'all can see like the front part, cause you can't really see in the back. So just spray it with the water. This is the last one. Oh my, I'm so tired. I've just been taking them out like this. Alright. I got me a little pic. This thing nice. I like it. I like it. I guess you can do this if you want to. All the ones on the bottom are dry, pretty much. I don't think it's exactly like how the girl in the video did it, but it's close, I think. I like it.